Boy, I know Porky's glad. I know Porky's glad to be out of the snow. Are you glad, Pork? Huh? Are you glad, Porky, to be out of the snow? You gonna try to eat my camera? That's good. Good, Porky. Hey, Pork, you're on YouTube. Say hi to the people. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Walker Bee Ranch. We're back at it today. Just kind of taking a look. We had snow. Well, last week it got up to a high of about 65. I did some hive inspection videos and everything was looking good. Then it snowed. So today what I'm planning to do is just take a quick look around the bee yard. It's mid 40s, supposed to get up to 52 today, and it's supposed to cool off later. So I just wanted to do quick hive entrance inspections to see if there's any traffic coming in and out and what we can see around the apiary. So bear with me and we'll try to get some shots. All right, so I'm gonna look at a Saracell feeder here that the bees are definitely coming to get some water. Let's see. However, there are a couple drowners in there. It's probably pretty cold, so I'm just gonna add some more dry leaves in here, give them something to walk on, and then they can get the try not to grab any bees that might be sitting on the ground. That could be no fun for me, but once they get in the water they're gonna die, so I'm just gonna throw some let me kneel down here. See, the ones that are able to get on the dry leaf right there are doing pretty good, and the ones that can stand on the sides are doing pretty good. So I'm just gonna put some more foliage in here and give them something to grab onto. They're trying to get water. I'm trying to not let them drown. Just regular old melted snow. Had a screw-on bucket lid here, and they're getting their hydration. Of course, it's the same way. So we're gonna put a little bit of something in there, just so they have something to walk on and give them the ability to not stand in the water. The honey super that had the honey in that I had set on the back of my truck last week, if you watched the video, and they're still in here robbing stuff out, which is good. I mean, I don't know if you can see the bees down in there working. They're working to clean out every little bit they can get. I'm sure there's water in there. All right, I'm gonna start at the bottom down here, see what we got going on. Pulling out some dead that didn't make it, and they're definitely hanging at the doorway today. That's one. I saw one fly out of there. It's 2 hives. Three hive entrances that have activity. We got 4. There's some guard bees in there. 4. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 hives so far have activity. Oh, I'm in the sun, sorry. 5, and there's a dead one. They're trying to take out 5 hives. So far I don't see anything in this nuke coming out. a couple on the side. I'm gonna crack the top on this one. All right, so they're in there. That's 6 hives. They're all up in the top still. 6, 7. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're pulling out some dead, some corpses. It's 8. Looks like they ejected the drones. Let me see here. Ejected one of the new drones, so that's 8. Plenty of them in the grass down here. 8. I'm trying not to step on them. Don't see much happening in this one yet. So it's 8. Let's see if I can. This may have been that dead out. I think this was the dead out that I moved everything off of, right? Yep. So 8. This was the monster hive. It's still going good. That's 9. They're ejecting drones too, taking dead bodies out. 9. Here's number 10. Probably too much in the sun. That's number 10. Number 11. Let's go to this other side. Oop. Number 12. Got one landed on me right there. And number 13 here. Just give a quick double count. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I actually have 14 colonies that are, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I've got 14 right now. So one of these 2 colonies, either the one with the broom on it right here, or that one right there, last week when I was doing videos, was trying to raise queens. Actually had queens hatch out, so I think that one is actually queenless, or has a virgin queen in it, and it was just bad timing, because I mean there's bees in there, but bad timing from the aspect of trying to raise a queen because of the temperature swings. So I'd watch out for a video soon on that hive with the red lid on it and the red entrance reducer. I did come around and put entrance reducers on everything I had enough for, and they're really pulling out, looks like wax cappings and dead. And there's a bunch of dead bees on the ground over here that they're pulling out. And this one I may end up merging my that blue nuke over there, because it's a smaller nuke, but it is queen right, and these 2 colonies might benefit from each other. Yep, bees are doing good in there. They got plenty of sugar in the top. So those 2 colonies may be able to help each other. The one with the queen, the blue one, if I merge that with that one that's queen-less, or trying to raise a queen, yes, I'll be down 1 colony, but I'll have 1 colony that's queen right, and won't really have a big break in their activity. And then I can just split it back when the weather's a little bit warmer and nicer for them. But that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. But the bees are out today. We still have some ice on the ground, but you can see back there in the shade where it's a little bit cooler that they're not loving life as much. I mean, it's still got the snow on the ground. So hopefully today, I mean, it's a good sign. This one here, I mean, it's not sending anybody out, which is kind of a bad thing. But I haven't seen any bees come in and out, so they're still up in the top. Hopefully that doesn't mean there's something wrong with the queen. Here's actually one of the queen cells that I pulled off of that colony right there. That was queenless. So obviously it either hatched or was tore down by the bees, so we'll see. But that'll be in an upcoming video, maybe Tuesday, if the weather hits like it's supposed to, up to 60. Probably be a good time to do that and figure out what's going on in there and maybe do a merge. So anyway, so that's pretty much what's going on. Didn't really want to go in any of the hives. I just wanted to check to see how they did through that cold snap, and it looks like all of my colonies, knock on wood, are still looking good. They still have activity. I've got one hive that I know from when I was doing the inspections last week had a queen cell that looked like it was getting ready to hatch. It looked like it had already hatched out 2 queens prior. However, the weather has been so up and down that it's really not conducive for queen mating flights. So if there was a virgin queen that I didn't see in there, I doubt it got mated. But we'll check that this week coming up. So watch out for a video on that. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you soon.